RPA is the software technology that performs transactional activities in IT applications in the way a user would. All RPA applications have the following structure: a digital input of structured data, and a process logic based on rules, conditions, loops, etc. to act on the data received. A software robot has the great advantage of being much faster than a human when carrying out tasks. Let's see. And they don't get sick, don't take vacations, can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, can be replicated for greater speed, can work from any location, minimize risks as they are less prone to errors. The possibilities of RPA are practically endless since it can address any sequence of tasks. For example, it can open emails, log in applications, read databases, access files, perform calculations, fill out forms, etc. Therefore, the scope for technology is any department or sector that uses Office and IT applications. But not everything is bad for the worker. Now, employees can dedicate their time to generating added value for the company, focusing on problem solving, managing exceptions, developing strategy, creative improvements. RPA is becoming established as another technology to help companies achieve a successful digital transformation and remain competitive in the market.